Welcome to the Wallace State Transfer Summit for 2021. Thank you for joining us virtually this year. As you can see, we have several different colleges and universities from the state who have put together presentations for you and contact information so you can learn more about the types of four-year degrees you may be eligible to pursue once you leave Wallace State. Now, pathways is the term we use for your broad category of study. So that might be in applied technology, general studies, STEM, or health sciences. For example, the applied technologies has several different degrees that you can get, degrees and certificates that certainly make you employable. And in general studies, this is the one people most often consider as part of the pathway that leads to a four-year degree. But as you'll see, you can contact the transfer specialist at each university and find out more about what you could pursue for a four-year degree based on your associate's degree at Wallace State. And they will tell you. You'll be so pleasantly surprised to see what all you can do starting with your associate's degree here at Wallace. Certainly in the STEM fields, there are four-year degrees that may also be more obvious. And in health sciences, oftentimes, for example, if you go into one of these fields, you might think that that is the end point of your degree, but certainly many fields you'll see that you'll be able to get a more advanced degree, or maybe in an administration role. So you might have a degree in diagnostic imaging and get an administrative degree as a four-year degree to pursue your goals for pursuing a higher level of salary or a different direction in your current position. So Pathways is begun generally in freshman seminar course. You may know it as orientation. And part of orientation is helping students see what they can do with the degree they may be interested in and plotting that out using the resources that are available and getting in touch with advisors, and the success advisors can be very helpful with that, and you can pursue that through the orientation course and continue that through your education all along the way. So Transfer Summit is helpful to all students, whether you are about to graduate and making plans for the future immediately because you are soon to get your degree at Wallace State, or if you've just begun your studies. It's never too soon to start thinking about transfer. There are certain degrees or certain scholarships that you can get through different universities and colleges as a transfer student from a community college. So don't think that just because you didn't go right away to one of those colleges or universities that your chances for scholarships are gone. That is certainly not the case. In fact, you may be more eligible for scholarships as a community college graduate. General studies and liberal arts students are generally expected to transfer to four-year institutions. But certainly, again, let me reiterate, look for those scholarships that are offered through there. Health sciences, of course, you're going to want to use your degree from Wallace State to get busy working right away. But certainly you can continue on earning bachelor's degrees, master's degrees beyond just the four-year degree itself. And of course, STEM students, you know that you are in high demand. So a four-year degree will make you even more eligible for higher levels of work and higher pay. Applied technology students, certainly you will find out about opportunities for your skill set and maybe pursue degrees that relate directly to your field of study or to help accommodate your personal business that you set up as a result of the degree you get at Wallace. So fast track and dual enrollment students as well are eligible for the same sorts of scholarships and benefits that community college students can acquire as graduates of Wallace State. So make sure you ask your transfer specialist at any school you're interested in about those financial benefits. And so the questions that you should ask right away are some basic things like what degrees will help me pursue certain goals that I have for a 4-year career. Certainly the finances, that's important. We all care about that. But just general opportunities. And as soon as you get in touch with the colleges that you're interested in, you will certainly be in good shape to get all of the questions you need answered satisfactorily. So as you will see, you will have lots of information from several schools. I encourage you to look at it and review it carefully. And because it is a virtual transfer summit, you'll be able to come back to the information again and again and keep it so that you can have access to that information as you get closer and closer to transferring to a 4-year school.